Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find out if someone hide their Instagram story from you. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm going into my Instagram app, and now when I'm on my Instagram app, then what I am going to do is to find a person that basically has their story up right now. And I'm going to click on Lionel Messi, and as you can see, Lionel Messi have actually posted a story right now, and I'm able to view the story because he has not hidden the story from me basically. But let's say that Messi actually did hide their story from me, then how I would know that he did it? Basically, well, the most easiest way to do so is to actually I'm just going back to my profile. The easiest ways to do is to have another account that you can check if they actually have a story or their profile right now or not. So you need to click on your profile name in the top left corner. So click here and then click where it says add account, and in here you can either log into an existing account if you have another account already, or you can click here it says create new account, and when you have done that, then go back to Messi's profile once again and check if he has the story, if you can see his history or not. If you can see this history on other account but on the main account you cannot see it, then 100% you know that he has hidden the story from you. And that is the easiest way and most simplest way to do so. So this is the way how you can find out if someone hide their Instagram story from you. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.